একটা আমিষ পরিবারে এলাম গ্রামে। ফ্রাঙ্কলিনভিল একটা গ্রাম, বাফলো সিটি থেকে 1 ঘন্টা গাড়ি চালিয়ে আমরা এখানে এসেছি। তাদের জীবন একদম প্রকৃতির সাথে মিলেমিশে একাকার হয়ে যে জীবনযাপন, বিদ্যুৎ নাই, গ্যাস নাই, সরকারি যে সুযোগ সুবিধা সেগুলো বেশিরভাগই তারা বর্জন করে চলে, যেভাবে জেনেছি।
I need eggs. 30 dozen. 30.
কি কি নিতে আসছেন?
ডিম নিব।
আর কি নিবেন?
ল্যাম্ব নিব।
আচ্ছা,
তারপরে হাঁস আছে, যদি মন চায় হাঁসও নিতে পারেন।
ও এরা এখানে আসেন নাকি মাঝে
10 টাকা করে হাঁস।
এক একটা কত পাউন্ড হবে?
5 পাউন্ড তো হবে।
5 পাউন্ড, তাহলে তো সস্তা।
সস্তা, একটা হাঁস 25 টাকা করে বিক্রি।
আপনি 1 ঘন্টা গাড়ি চালাইয়া এখানে আইসা এগুলো নিয়ে যান না?
আমি যেটা মনে করি সেটা হচ্ছে যে ন্যাচারাল জিনিসগুলো আমি পাচ্ছি, একদম নিজ হাতে জবাই করে ইয়ে করে নেওয়ার মতো। মানে আপনি এটা গ্রোসারিতে যান, সব ফ্রোজেন জিনিস দিবে আপনাকে, বাট এখানে আপনি ফ্রেশ জিনিসগুলো পাবেন।
ফ্রিকুয়েন্টলি আসেন নাকি এখানে?
ফ্রিকুয়েন্টলি বলতে রমজান কোরবান করছি আমরা এখানে, তো কোরবানের পর থেকে মনে করলাম যে না, এটা মোটামুটি ভালো প্রাইস।
আচ্ছা, নতুন চিনছেন এটা জায়গা?
ধরুন 2-3 মাস আগে থেকে শুনছি।
অনেক দূরে তো,
অনেক দূরে।
আর এদের তো বিদ্যুৎ নাই দেখলাম, যেরকম
পানিও নাই এদের, কারেন্ট নাই, গ্যাস নাই, কিছুই নেই। ওই যে গাড়িও নাই, ওই যে ঘোড়ার গাড়ি চালায়, ওই ঘোড়ার গাড়ি দেখেন
এটা না, এই গাড়ি দিয়ে যাতায়াত করে এরা। ডিম নিচ্ছেন?
অর্গানিক 22 ডজন নিছি।
22 ডজন? এক ডজন কত পড়ছে?
এটা সম্ভবত 250 করে চার্জ করে
পার ডজন। 250। এগুলো সব একই ডিম? কি কাজে ব্যবহার করবেন এগুলো? কি নিজেরা
বাসার জন্য? আমরা নিজেরা, বাচ্চারা খায় না।
কি দুর্দান্ত, কি জীবন তাদের। এটা কি জন্যে?
এটা আমরা এটা করে খাসি নিয়ে যাব।
খাসি নিয়ে যাবেন না? খাসি নিলেন কত দিয়া?
200।
হ্যাঁ,
200 টাকা।
200 টাকা খাসি? কতটুকু হবে ওজন?
150 পাউন্ড।
150 পাউন্ড মাত্র 200 টাকা?
ইয়েস স্যার।
কি বলেন, এ তো অনেক সস্তা। খাসি কই?
আছে, ও আসতেছে। পানি উঠানোর জায়গা
কোত্থেকে পানি উঠে? ও ও, this is drinking water? You drink this water? How did you get this?
Spring. We developed a spring up in the woods.
Up there?
Yeah,
in the
up
forest?
In the woods, yeah.
Oh, in the forest, and from there
We
it
put a
comes.
pipe here.
Oh, piping through pipe it comes here, right? Wow, interesting. So, okay, so you don't use electricity, no electricity, no gas, nothing. So একটু যাই ওইদিকে। এই যে মুরগি, অনেক মুরগি তো এখানে। কুকুরও তো আছে এখানে একটা। ও, কুকুরটা খায় মরা গিয়ে না? গরু আছে এদিকটাই। How old is this cart?
About 4 years. This is about 4 years. The horse is 3 years old.
So only one horse, you use only one horse for one cart?
Yeah, we have double ones here too.
Oh, two horses?
Yeah, I can show you in here.
Okay. So this is for one?
This is for one, yes.
So how many people can sit here? 3?
We can put 3 on there.
How many horses you have?
Well, I don't have many myself anymore. I turned them over to the young ones.
I saw 3 or 4 horses
Oh
there.
yeah, there's young ones up there. I
Oh,
haven't
they don't drag cart.
Yeah, well, they're not trained yet. We got to train them.
Okay, so you use these for plowing?
Oh yeah, the big one. Yeah.
Oh, big one. This one also.
No, not this one. This
Oh,
is
this one only especially for these.
for this. We moved here in 2011. We lived in Ohio.
So what is your ancestry?
Way back is in from I'm not sure, was it France or was it Germany?
German. And it's because of religion, right?
How's that?
Religion.
Oh,
Religion. Yeah, it's because of religion.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Well,
they migrated for.
Let me show you this.
Okay. What's your name, please?
Henry?
Henry.
Yep.
So many Henrys there. The
Yeah, he's
young one is Henry. The older, younger one, the kid,
the kid. Yeah, that's a grandson.
your grandson,
Henry is my son.
and the
Young
kid.
little Henry is one of my other sons' little kid.
Okay, so there are 3 Henrys.
Yeah. See here,
Yeah.
we do. This is for one horse.
Okay.
This is for the other one.
Okay, so you use 2 horses.
You use 2 horses in here. These are 2 seats here.
Oh, okay. How many people can sit here?
Oh, we
3 and
We can drive. We can put 6 people on here.
6 people.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sometimes we put a couple more little ones in the middle.
this is good for muddy road, right?
Yeah, we take this anywhere. Mud and concrete.
Oh, okay. Mud and concrete. Now, I'm just taking you on camera if it is good.
No, we don't do that.
Is there any religious
It's a religious thing, yeah.
restriction?
Yeah, we have a religion not to take our pictures.
No picture? What you don't do? No picture, no telephone,
No television,
no television, and what else?
no radios, and
No radio. So no radio, no television, no picture,
no cars.
no cars, and what else?
Oh, there's a lot of stuff. There's a lot of stuff. We try to stay with the old stuff. I survived 61 years. It's livable.
Okay.
Yeah, it's doable. Yeah.
You are Christian, right?
Yeah, we're Amish. But we got, our people are scattered all over. We got people up in Canada,
Okay.
Tennessee,
Okay.
Kentucky.
Pennsylvania.
yeah, Pennsylvania, Kentucky, and there's a lot of states with Amish people.
How many people right now in the US?
In the Amish?
Yeah.
Probably 300,000-400,000.
Do you have any leader, religious leader? You have church.
Leader? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. We got bishops.
You have bishops.
Bishops and
So
bishops and ministers. Yeah.
Okay. So do you go to the local church?
No, we just come to the house. We have 20-some families come together and we take turns taking it in our house.
Okay. In your house.
Not just ours, but everybody takes turns.
Every Sunday or every
2 Sundays.
every Sunday?
Every other Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. We didn't have church yesterday.
Okay.
So we'll have church next Sunday.
Okay.
And it's going to be about 14 miles west.
40 mile west.
Yeah.
You will go there
We'll go there.
for ritual. So it happens continuously.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, every other week. And then those people take it one time, after church one time. Then it goes to their neighbors.
Okay.
And then it goes to their neighbors.
Okay.
Finally, it comes back to our place here. Finally, by next spring, it's going to be, or well, by fall, it's going to be back in our house.
Oh, so interesting. Very interesting.
Yep, that's the way we do it.
Very interesting. No electricity, no gas, nothing.
We got gas. We got gas engines.
Oh, you use gas?
We do gas engines.
So this
Yeah,
is...
look here. We buy it from the local market.
So,
That's a gas engine. I got a belt here. I got a line shaft going in there.
Okay. So you use gas engine.
Yeah.
You don't use electric engine.
No.
What is the difference between?
Well, it's just a matter of
Believe.
it's a matter of staying with one.
Oh, stay with one, stay with the
Yeah.
tradition.
Yeah.
Because gas is a bit earlier than electricity.
Yes.
That's what
Yes.
you are saying, right?
Yeah.
Farming is the only profession, right?
No, there's carpenters around. There's carpenters around too. People
So-
do old sheds and stuff. Yeah.
Oh, so
I do this.
you have this factory, right?
Yeah.
So this is your profession.
Yeah.
So-
that is my work since I retired from farming.
Okay. Oh.
I already did some before that.
Okay, so you are making cart.
Yeah.
What do you say this? Cart or
Buggies.
bogies? Bogies, yeah.
This is an open buggy,
Okay.
and the one out here is a top buggy.
Oh. So you have customer, how many days you take for making this one?
How long?
How long? For one 30 days, 50 days?
No. No, I can do the wheels in a day and a half.
Wheels?
Yeah, the wheels.
How do you carve this? With the machine?
I don't. I buy parts.
Oh, okay, okay. Assembling. You do
Yeah,
assembling.
I do assembling. See this one here? Mm-hmm. I got to put a tire on here yet.
Okay. So
This is finished.
this is finished.
This is not finished.
Oh, I thought this is all steel or alloy.
No, that's wood.
This is wood.
Yeah, that's wood. That's
I'm curious about your educational status.
we go to school.
School?
Oh yeah.
So do
we
you
have
have?
our own schools.
Oh, you have your own schools.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So do you have doctor, engineer, or some other professionals from that school, or people only go there?
People only go there to 8th grade. We just send our kids to school for 8th grade.
Only 8th grade.
Only
After
8th
that,
grade.
they don't.
After that, they don't go to school. They stay home and work.
Wow.
But we don't have professional doctors like you guys do.
Oh, so you don't have, but you have doctors. You have medicinal
We do mostly herbs.
herbs.
Yeah, but sometimes we end up in the hospital, so we have you guys to.
Oh, okay. Sometimes you go to the hospital.
Well, sometimes we have. We have high blood pressure or high blood sugar or something like that. Yeah, we go to the doctor.
If you have some feud, you go to the court. Do you?
We don't normally. We don't normally.
Don't go to the court.
We don't normally know.
Oh, normally you don't go to the doctor. Normally you don't go to the court. And what about the police?
We try to
Keep yourself.
stay in order so we don't have to, so we don't need the police. Sometimes something might happen that people, English people, order Amish into court. That has happened. That has.
Yeah, sometimes some other people from different community, they drag you to the court.
Yeah,
Sometimes that's why you need to
Yeah.
go to the court,
And
right?
then if you're ordered, if you're ordered for yourself, you gotta do it, you know. But we don't push to take other people to the court.
Okay, I got it. There are some other guys here. Maybe they are looking for...
Did they offer you eggs?
Yeah, we already took 22 dozens.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, already took 22 dozens.
Okay.
Already.
Okay. You don't have any interest in the baskets?
Baskets, you showed me there?
Yeah. These are baskets being made.
Oh,
Little canoes or boats. This is going to be a big one like you saw out there.
how much is that?
This one here,
Huh?
that one is $22.
This is the...
Yeah, that's what we use for this.
Oh, very interesting. So do you have the tree, this tree here, around here?
No, we buy that.
We buy from where?
We
From
buy
market?
from New York, PL Butte up in,
Okay, from market.
yeah.
Oh, so they sell it.
They sell it, yeah.
Oh. এগুলো বেতের মতো কিন্তু বেত না, এটা হলো রিড। রিড যদি ভুল না করি একটা গাছের মতো, ইটস সামথিং লাইক এ ট্রি, রাইট?
Yeah.
It's from wood. It's something like cane, right?
I would say so, yes.
Okay.
Here's,
The basket.
these are laundry baskets, and
Laundry basket. How much is that?
this one is 45.
How much is that?
That one is 22.
22.
Yes.
Thank you. So you have this business and that business, and you have goat, you have lamb, chicken, egg. You don't have any telephone? No mobile?
No.
Wow. How can you contact with somebody? Suppose you need to call somebody in Pennsylvania, or your
I write him a letter.
huh?
I write him a letter.
Letter?
Yeah, with the
So
mail.
you you depends on post.
Oh, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Mail. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Still. So how many people live here in this house?
Well, there's me and my wife and the big one. And
Okay, they are.
And there's 2 daughters.
Okay, and
then
your
the
son is here.
Son here, and they got twin girls, and now they have a baby boy. So there's
Okay, so how many
five in there.
sons you have?
7,
7 sons, and daughter
5,
5. So all together, how many? 12.
12. Yeah.
So 12. All they are living here, or
Oh
they?
no, there's one in Kentucky, and there's one in Virginia, and there's 2 in Maine.
Okay, already they married.
Yeah,
They are married, right?
they're all married.
So the clothes
Two daughters.
only with you. They are not married.
They're not married.
And they cannot. What is the marriage system here? Within your community or outside your community? They can
Oh no, it's just as long as they're with our people.
only inside your community, right?
Not just in. They can go up in Ohio or whatever, you know.
But in your community, I mean,
Yeah.
in Amish people, Amish community.
Amish people, yeah.
So they cannot marry some other people from outside, right?
No.
And regarding your clothing, I saw you have very special clothes. So what about this?
We buy it in the fabric stores. It's plain cloths.
And the hat is a must.
My wife makes them.
Hat? This hat? Okay. Okay. And hat, clothes, everything is very special. So can I see one?
Hat? Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
এটা তার বাসা, হেনরির বাসা। সুন্দর। ওরা 100 টাকা না, আপনার 500 টাকা দেব। বাট ইন্টারেস্টিং হচ্ছে দুর্দান্ত, অনেক কিছু জানলাম, অনেক কিছু। সো ওকে, ভেরি গুড উইভিং। দেখছেন কি সুন্দর একটা,
15.
দেখছেন
That's a big one, yeah.
অসাধারণ, আপনি অসাধারণ, দুর্দান্ত লাগতেছে। আমি বললাম তো আপনি একটু মাথার নিচের দিকে করেন তো। ইয়া ওকে, দ্যাটস কুল। ওকে, সো দুইটা নেই, ওয়ান মোর।
One more?
ইয়া ভাই, অসাধারণ জিনিস, অসাধারণ জীবনাচার, অসাধারণ সবকিছু। আমি এই ওনাদের বাড়ির যে বাড়ির সামনে আছি এই মুহূর্তে। এইখানে থাকেন টোনাটুনি, হেনরি থাকেন এখানে, আর এই দিকটায় হেনরির ছেলে থাকে। সবচেয়ে মজার ব্যাপার হচ্ছে তারা সন্তান উৎপাদনে কোনোভাবেই কোনো নিয়ন্ত্রণ নাই। হেনরির 7টা ছেলে এবং 5টা মেয়ে, তার মধ্যে 2টা মেয়ে এখানে থাকে আর 2টা ছেলে এখানে থাকে, আর বাকি সব হলো বিয়ে হয়ে গেছে। আর হেনরির কাছ থেকে এসেছি, এখন আমরা একটা টুপি নেব।
টুপি এটা
টুপি, এই যে আলম ভাই একটা টুপি নিছে, মাত্র 15 টাকা দাম। তার বউ এটা, তার স্ত্রী এটা বানায়, খুব চমৎকার একটা টুপি। একদম গ্রামীণ জীবন।
There it is.
Oh, oh. How much is this? 13.
$13.
Okay, I'm taking one.
Okay.
I'm taking.
You want more?
I'm taking one.
Okay.
অসাধারণ একটা অভিজ্ঞতা হলো আজকে। হেনরির সাথে দীর্ঘক্ষণ কথা বলে অনেক কিছু জানলাম আমিষ জনগোষ্ঠী সম্পর্কে। আজ এই পর্যন্ত। সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। ধন্যবাদ সবাইকে।